Hi everyone, it's me, Mrs. Gronert, and today we're talking about symmetry. What is symmetry? Well, an object has symmetry when one half is a mirror image or exactly the same as the other half. Shapes that are symmetrical can have one or more lines of symmetry. Let's take a look at what that really means. Right here, I have a rectangle. See my rectangle? Let's find out if the rectangle has symmetry. One of the easiest ways to do this is to fold it in half. And if I fold my rectangle in half, are the two sides exactly the same? They are. They're exactly the same. That means this rectangle has a line of symmetry right down the middle. Do you think the rectangle might have another line of symmetry? Let's find out. I'm going to try folding it in the center this direction. Very careful to fold it right there in the center. And let's take a look. Are the two sides exactly the same? Yes. So that's another line of symmetry. I can draw those lines of symmetry onto the rectangle so you can see where they are. So I have two lines of symmetry so far. One down the center there and one down the center there. Now I'm going to try folding it a different way. Maybe if I fold it on the corners, it'll have another line of symmetry. Let's find out. Corner to corner. Wait a second. Now, is that exactly the same? No, those two sides are not exactly the same. So I can say the rectangle does not have a line of symmetry in that place. So my rectangle has two lines of symmetry, or two places I can fold it and have it be exactly the same on both sides. Let's try a few more shapes. Okay, I've got a triangle. Look at that fun triangle. Okay, I want to find out if this triangle has symmetry. So let's see. I'm going to try to fold it here. Are the two sides exactly the same? No, those are not the same. Okay, maybe if I fold it here, it'll be exactly the same. No, not that way either. Maybe if I fold it here, will it be exactly the same? No, it's not. This triangle does not have symmetry because I cannot fold it in any way to make both sides exactly the same. Every way I fold it, it's not exactly the same. So this triangle does not have symmetry. Let's take a look at another shape. How about a trapezoid? Okay, so what do you think? Does this trapezoid have symmetry? Let's find out. I'm going to fold it in the center right here. Hey, is the trapezoid exactly the same on both sides? It sure is. So this trapezoid has a line of symmetry right here. Do you think it might have two lines of symmetry like the rectangle? Let's try. Here's the line of symmetry. I'm going to try to fold it right here too. Wait a second. Is that exactly the same? No. So my trapezoid only has one line of symmetry. Okay, let's try a few more shapes. Ooh, I have a different triangle. I wonder if this triangle has a line of symmetry. Let's try. I'm going to fold it right here down the center. Oh, hey, look at that. This triangle does have a line of symmetry. It's exactly the same on both sides when I fold it down the center. I can try to fold it a few other ways. Let's see if there's any other way we can make it have a line of symmetry. No. No, that's it. One line of symmetry for the triangle. How about a square? Let's try my square. Okay. I have a feeling square will be like the rectangle. Let's find out. If I fold it in the center here, is it exactly the same on both sides? It sure is. It's exactly the same. Okay, so I'm going to draw that line of symmetry now. Let me try the other way. Okay, if I fold it here, oh, look at that. Another line of symmetry. It's exactly the same. I want to try again. Let's see if we can make this square have even more lines of symmetry. What if I fold the square this way? The rectangle did not have symmetry that way, but look, it's exactly the same. So that's another line of symmetry for the square. How cool is that? Ooh, so now I have 3 different lines of symmetry. That looks pretty too. Let me try one more way. I bet if I fold here, I'll be able to get another line of symmetry. Oh, too much fun. Let's see. Is it the same? It sure is. It's exactly the same on both sides. Pretty cool. So look at that. My square has 4 lines of symmetry. That's awesome. Okay, let's do a couple more shapes of this shape. Kind of an interesting shape. Not quite sure what it is. It's a polygon, right? Let's see if my polygon has symmetry. I'm going to fold it right here down the center. Oh, it is not exactly the same. Let's try folding it this way. No, not exactly the same. Maybe this way. No, not exactly the same. My polygon does not have symmetry. Try one more. A rhombus or a diamond. You can call it either one. Let's see if this has symmetry. I fold it here in the center. Is it exactly the same? It sure is. Okay, let's try again. I'm going to fold it down the center the other direction. Is it exactly the same? Yes, so cool. So my rhombus has 2 lines of symmetry. I'm going to draw those lines of symmetry right there onto my rhombus. Symmetry is so much fun. Did you know that there are so many things in nature that have symmetry as well? It is so cool. Today, you get to do a fun activity where you're going to draw the line of symmetry on different shapes to show if they are exactly the same on both sides. I can't wait to see your work. Have fun.